A moorhen chick there and parent just grooming themselves. And two of the baby moorhens are over the far side there. As the dragonflies or damselflies keep swooping and looking for food. So yeah, I've just explored more of the extension of the old Roe Wood, the old Earl of Shrewsbury's woodland, and seeing how, in previous videos, seeing how some of the old woodland, including this one down here, this would have been part of the extended Roe Woods, and above this road here outside, at the top there's Roe Lane as well, so all connections and clues that this woodland was massive and would have stretched right over this area. And I think at one time was called Woodshot or Cockwood, or something like that. Something to do with trapping game birds anyway, in open areas around the woodland. So it may well have had various names, or it will have done over the years. And Roe Wood has just stuck, possibly because the number of rowan trees in here, or possibly due to the deer, the roe deer. And the name certainly suggests ROE is what the same name that is given to the roe deer here in the UK. But yeah, I just find it really interesting that how pockets of woodland now have managed to survive and still do around this volume of housing. But people still live it. If you look, people want trees. They want trees on the road. They want them in the back garden. They don't want too near to the houses because of the roots, but they want plant life and trees and forestry and ponds like this as much as possible.